So instead na minamaximize mo yung yung kung ano yung meron ka, you were wishing and hoping for something na um, gusto mo magamit just for music. Just to listen music. Meron ka naman ng earphones.
Mm.
Diba? Yun yung other example na na masasabi ko, which is yung stop looking for or stop hoping for shiny objects. Use what you have.
Ayun.
Tulad din ng ibang sinasabi ng mga ng mga photographers, di ba? You don't have to buy an expensive camera just to take a photo or take a photograph. Meron kang phone, meron kang smartphone. Di ba?
No.
Yun lang talaga yung kailangan mo just to start things. Start your journey.